In this video, I'll walk you through the process on the way that you delete a Venmo account. For whatever reason, if you don't want to use or don't use a particular Venmo account or don't use Venmo in general and you want to remove all of your data, in this video, let me show you the steps. Now, in order for you to delete the Venmo account, you need to follow these steps. Once you're inside of the app of Venmo, tap on the Me section on the bottom right of the screen and then head over to Settings on the top right. You can also follow this process on a web browser. So you can log in using the website of Venmo and you can also follow the same steps. So head over to Settings. Inside of the settings page, you'll see various options. The one that you want to go into is the Edit Profile option, which is the first option from the top. So just tap on Edit Profile. Once you're inside of the Edit Profile option, there are a few options that you'll see: the profile, phone number, and under Account Control, you'll see the option called Close Your Venmo Account. The one that you want is this one. Just tap on Close Venmo Account. After that, a pop-up menu will open up which says, do you want to close your Venmo account? So you need to confirm it. Just tap on Continue and follow the further on-screen prompts so that you can completely delete or close your Venmo account. That's all there is in deleting or closing your Venmo account. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.